In this video, I'm going to show you what is MVC, how MVC works. So MVC simply stands for Model View Controller. Now, we want to look at what is a model. What is model? Model is used to handle the data passed between the database and the user interface. So, what is view? Now, whatever you are seeing after searching something in the browser is called view. So, when you search, whatever you see is the view. Now, what about the controller? The controller contains all the logic for a website. So, controller handles all the users' requests. So, it's the handler. Okay, so it handles all the users requests. Now let's simply look at how model view controller works together. Now, for example, you're searching for xyz.com and then the user types xyz, the controller receives it and the model and asks the model, and the model search for it from the database. So the model receives it from database, pass it onto controller, and the controller passed it onto the user. So the user will see it from the view. They will see it from the view. Now let's look at another example. For example, you want to check for a cat image, and then you ask the controller. The controller will pass it to will ask the model to give it. That the model will now look for it in the database. Then the database will pass it back, and the controller will pass it to the view, so you can see the cat image. Yeah. So this is simply how model view controller works. From request to controller, from controller to model, from model to database, and then back to view. Hope you understand this. Thank you. Thank you for watching.